Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Store something happened on our end error on your Windows PC. Let's start with the first method, which is clearing the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and type WS Reset, and then press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear on your screen. Do not close it. This will clear the store cache automatically. Once the process is complete, the store will open. Try downloading, installing, or updating your app again and see if the error is gone. If the problem continues, check your date, time, and region settings. Right-click the clock on the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Then click Sync Now to force Windows to synchronize the clock. Next, open Language and Region settings and confirm that your country or region is set correctly. After making these changes, restart the Microsoft Store and test it again. Thanks for watching.